Okay, very good job in the videos. Glad to see you're keeping things in control, not getting a bunch of string noise. So definite improvements there. Uh, Check the metronome volume here. There we go. Okay, so yeah, two new things. Just pushing the legato a little bit further. So let's see, with this guy here, you're almost doing the same thing twice, but you stop basically on that right there. So you start doing the whole thing again, but you have a little bit of a break right there on the third beat, and that is a half note, so be careful of that. And it's really just staying in the 10, 12, and 13, like the first, third, and fourth finger pattern. So we're just hammering all the way up, and then pull offs down, and then right back up, and then start it again. And we stop there on that C note, and then we move up to 12, 13, 15, or the first, second, and fourth finger pattern, and we do the same idea. So here we go. 60 for number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh boy, nice start. My pick hit the string. 1, 2, 3, 4. One 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. One 80. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Two 40. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, number 2. So this one you are playing the same thing twice. So mostly hammer-ons all the way up. So we start all hammer-ons, and then a little bit pull-offs, back to a hammer-on, and now we're starting at that same note again for bar 3. And we do pick, hammer, and then a bunch of pull-offs. We get down to that D string, pull-offs to hammer-ons. Now, remember, when you do pull-offs, whatever you pull off to needs to be down in advance. So basically think like you need to get all 3 fingers down when you go to the B string, all 3 fingers down, to the G string, all 3 fingers down, to the D string, all 3 fingers down. So I like to think of it that way, because that typically gets people to put their fingers down where they need to be, when they need to be there. Technically, the pinky's going to get there a split second before the others, and that's fine. But what we want to avoid is doing this stuff. We don't want to be doing hammer-ons from nowhere, or nothing, I mean. And just like playing like a piano. We need to make sure we're plucking those strings for the pull-offs So yeah, make sure you get all those fingers down in advance for the multiple pull-offs. So yeah, I just play it twice and then kind of resolve to that A note there. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I recommend use the ring finger for the very last note. This way you're not trying to like hop the pinky real fast. And use your available ring finger. Alright, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. One 80. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Two 40. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so as far as the third thing goes, let's want to give you time to finish getting caught up with all the chord stuff. This will help prepare you for what we do next, which is going to be a bit of review. We're going to do some stuff where just kind of like play through it kind of thing and figure it out too. But basically, going to have you do stuff where you start with a root position triad, and then we're going to move one note at a time to go down the fretboard, to go down the scale. So we're going to go root position, second inversion, first inversion, 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 root position. Okay, so that's going to be what we end up working on next. So yeah, any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again in your new videos.